guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a fried plantain recipe. I took one plantain and I sliced them like this. For the batter you will need half cup of all-purpose flour, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seed, and then add water to make a paste without any lumps in it. Heat oil in a pan and you can check if the oil is ready by pouring a small drop of batter in the oil. The oil is ready now, so you can dip the plantain in the all-purpose flour mixture or the batter, making sure both sides are well coated, and put it in the oil and deep fry each one of them. When the plantain is golden brown on both sides, you can get it out of the oil and place it on a paper towel to get rid of the excess oil. Fried plantain is ready now. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you like the video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can get the notification. Thank you for watching. See you next time with another video.